I got this custom made iPhone 14 Pro Max back cover case, a hash AS tech reviews. This is a silicone, but couple of things. It could have been better, the print quality, but this looks better in white color one as it is the darker one. It doesn't look that much good on this iPhone. This is a little bit sticky, so I'm not able to press it. I have to press it very hard. Okay, so this is one thing, and the best thing is that it comes with this cover, which hides from the dust of this power board. And this is a normal, typical silicone case, and this is good. So this is about around 384, actually 399, but after they have given a prepaid discount of 100 rupees, and this came for 380. So if you want to buy it, yes, you can buy it. But security wise, I don't think so this much. This is very thin, and here there is a bump here for the security reason. If it is passed in this direction, then it will support. And apart from this, I have couple of other iPhone 14 Pro Max which I bought. This is a bit costlier one. This cost me somewhere around 400. It has not a silicone one, it is a hard case. This is good. I like this cover too. And there is another color that comes with back magnet, and surprisingly this is 150 rupees only. I bought it offline market in Berhampur, which is in Odisha, which is in Badabaza. There is a huge market for this phones and gadgets and these accessories. If you are in and around Berhampur, Odisha, you must visit at least once. You go and check where this market. This is called Ganesh Market. It's in Badabaza, Berhampur, Odisha. So I got this for just 150 rupees, and this is almost similar to it, but this cost me around 400 rupees. Anyway, that is the information. I'm not a brand ambassador for any of these guys. I pay amount and I buy. And this is another case which I got it from another website. I post these links in the description. And this is also, I liked it. This is very slim and hard case. Yeah, if you are looking for the security, and you can check. So this is not recommendable, but if you can handle good your phone, then I would recommend this case. If you want to go for security, or if you are the person who loses your phone very frequently from your hand, then these two are better, or as better you go for either of these design cases. Thanks for watching. All of the links I'll paste in the description, and please leave your comments and your thoughts. Will catch you in the next video.